Paul from HouseForce. Come here on
Hi, it's Paul
projects.
from HouseForce. We're here over at La Siesta area, San Luis. We're building a Cattery 6 meters by 4, 3.5 in some places. Yeah, looking forward to it. Getting it finished. We've been using our GTM 12 cutting machine at the bench and Tanalized here. And we're now putting the crossveigers in here. We'll do these ones here, and then we'll put screws. We're sinking in 680s and 690s into all these braces. The Cattery outside we've made for all 17 cats here. A 20 centimetre tube through the wall. There's a little flap that goes up and down. The tube goes up, obviously, and into the Cattery outside. So here we are with the finished product of the Cattery. It's approximately 6 by 4, 24 square meters, give or take. Also made a couple of ramps for them to come up. They come up into this tube, and they go down into the house. And we're out into the tube.